How to redeem Amazon gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can redeem your Amazon gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to basically go ahead and then redeem your Amazon gift card, it's actually quite very simple. Open up the Amazon app and just make sure that you're signed into your account, and you will see this type of interface over here. Now once you have done this, what you want to do is simply come to this little account like icon that you will be able to find here, and once you've done that, from here what you again need to do is just simply go to this option called gift card balance, then tap on redeem gift card. Then once you tap on redeem gift card over here, you simply need to enter your gift card code. In this case, once you enter your gift card code, you can tap on the apply to your balance option, and when you tap on the apply to your balance option, now you will be able to go ahead and then basically redeem them into your Amazon account. This way you will be able to redeem your Amazon gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.